Electromeric effect is basically an electronic effect that depends on a reagent which has been taken. It is a temporary effect. It will not be there if reagent is not there. Temporary effect, it is there when reagent is there. It is not there when reagent is not there. So you have to remember that what is how it basically created. So there are two types of electromagnetic effect. We have two types of electromagnetic effect. One is positive electromagnetic effect and another is negative electromagnetic effect. What are these? Let's see. If we have, let's say, something like this, and we have a reagent over here and we take reagent cyanide. So what happens is this pi bond is broken towards more electronegative atom, that is minus, and this carbon will get plus when one pi bond is broken. Then this cyanide goes to the carbon. So electrons are getting shifted towards oxygen and attaching, or the attacking reagent goes to the carbon. So it will form something like this. It will form something like this. So what has happened is electrons have moved towards oxygen, but the attacking or the reagent which is getting attached is on the opposite carbon. Electron shifting towards oxygen, but Cn minus is attacking this carbon. So exactly the movement of electron and the reagent is opposite. So this is known as minus electromagnetic effect, negative electromagnetic effect, because electrons are shifting towards oxygen and cyanide is attaching to carbon, not oxygen. So if the movement of reagent and electron is opposite to each other, then this is negative electromagnetic effect. And in positive electromagnetic effect, what happens is that movement of electrons and the reagent that attacks is in the same direction. For example, if we have a double bonded compound over here, so what happens is, if pi bond is broken like this, if pi bond is broken like this and we have H plus, what will happen is electrons are shifting towards this carbon and this H plus will also attach to this carbon. So electrons are moving towards this carbon and H plus, that is attacking reagent, is also attaching to the same carbon. So movement of electrons and the attacking reagent are same. So that is what we get. We get something like this. We get something like this. So H is attached to this carbon, alright, and we get a plus over here. So electron shifting to carbon and H plus is also getting attached to the same carbon. If the movement of electrons and the attacking reagent is same, then it is positive electromagnetic. If movement of electrons and attacking reagent is in opposite direction, it is negative electromagnetic effect. I'll give you a very small beautiful trick how you can remember which is positive electromagnetic, which is negative. Just remember, if the attacking reagent is negative, it is negative electromagnetic effect. If attacking reagent is positive, the electromagnetic effect is also positive. Isn't that beautiful? It is beautiful trick so that you can easily identify whether it is positive electromagnetic effect or negative electromagnetic effect. So that is it for now. Thank you.